For this project, we were required to build a portal frame as per the client's specifications. These involved a building length of 20 metres, a frame span of 24 metres, and height of the eaves is to be 7 metres. In addition to this, the rafter load had to be 7 kilonewtons per metre. Additionally, the portal frames had to be spaced more than 4.5 metres apart but less than 6 metres to ensure structural rigidity. The portal frames on our design were 5 metres apart. The girts and purlins have a maximum length due to manufacturing of 12 metres. A mezzanine level was also required within the portal frame. Our design team decided to make this area 9.6 metres by 7.65 metres. This was furnished with couches, tables and an entertainment area. 12 windows were scattered around the building, allowing for adequate natural light to come into the building. As well as those windows, 2 doors were placed on the north and south sides of the building, as well as a roller door on the northern side.
The roof sheeting is made from Cliplock Classic 700, with chosen material as Colorbond steel, and a 0.48 base metal thickness. The roof is set at an incline of 6 degrees. The mezzanine level has an area of 73.5 square metres. A 150mm concrete slab is used for the level, supported by 5 additional columns, along with the 2 columns that are there to support the building frame. Gusset plates were used throughout the build to ensure a secure connection of the Z and C sections to the columns and rafters, respectively. For the C sections, the gusset plates are 8 by 125 by 93.5mm. Similarly, for the Z sections, they are 98 by 125 by 16mm.
To meet the client requirement, the portal frame were designed using Australian standard AS4100 annual steel catalogue. Rafter and column size were determined using table A1 from structural steel catalogue. Girth and pure line spacing depend on the frame location, the spacing of wall cladding and roof sheeting. The size of girths and pure line were chosen for 5 meter span and 1 kN per meter wind load using the Lysat guide, where 10 girths of C section and 14 pure line of Z section were used to support the wall cladding and the roof sheeting.
The design could be improved by refining certain elements, for instance deleting an extra universal beam placed within the concrete slab. Several sources were consulted to determine their appropriate sizing of materials. These sources include, but are not limited to, the Lysat Zs and Cs User's Guide and the Lysat Spandeck Design and Installation Guide. The portal frame has some special features worth discussing. An overhead rolling door is positioned on the right side of the south face. Regular single steel frame doors feature on both the north and south faces for increased accessibility. 4 fixed windows are placed on each face except the north face, allowing for some natural lighting. The mezzanine level is furnished with 2 couches, 2 bench seats, 2 tables, and an entertainment unit with a TV. This is designed to add internal comfort to the portal frame. It is highly recommended that the client follows our design parameters to achieve a structurally sound design.